Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Dear students, last time we were talking about the electrochemistry, and today I am going to explain you more about the electrochemistry. And in our today lecture number 2 about the electrochemistry, we will discuss about the oxidation and reduction reactions, uh, how we can identify oxidizing and reducing agent in a chemical reaction, and more, the methods of recovering metals from their ores. Let us to number one. Number one is, here I give you the example of a redox reaction. Look at calcium. If calcium allowed to react with the chlorine gas, it give you calcium chloride compound. Here the calcium, it's a neutral atom, and chlorine, it is also a uncombined neutral. So oxidation state of the calcium here is 0 and chlorine also 0. But in that compound calcium chloride, the oxidation state of the calcium is a +2 and chloride it is -1 and 2 chloride -2. Here calcium is a 0 and when it change into Ca+2, it means there is a loss of electron and it is oxidation. And chlorine 0, when it gain the electron, so there is a reduction. So it's a redox reaction in this one example. Yes. And next, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent is a reactant containing the element that is reduced in a chemical reaction. Reducing agent is a reactant containing the element that is oxidized. Here I give you the example in which we can identify which one is the oxidizing agent and which one is a reducing agent. Look at, if sodium allowed to react with the chlorine, it gives you sodium chloride. Here the sodium, its oxidation state is 0, chlorine is its oxidation state is also 0, and this sodium change into sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, oxidation state of the sodium is a +1 and chloride is a -1. It means that as regard of sodium, what happened? Sodium lose the electron, so oxidation. As regard of chlorine, what happened? It gained the electron, reduction. It means that in this reaction, the sodium will act as reducing agent because it done the reduction of chlorine, and chlorine will act as oxidizing agent. Being itself, it is reduced, but it oxidized to the sodium. Here, if suppose someone give you identify oxidizing agent and reducing agent, so more example is here to identify the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Look at here, if zinc allowed to react with the copper ion, zinc ions are formed and copper solid is formed. In this equation, the zinc changed into zinc ion. It means what happened with the zinc? Oxidation takes place. And copper ion changed into copper solid. What happened? Reduction takes place. It means that in this reaction, zinc acts as reducing agent and copper acts as oxidizing agent. Now our next topic is methods of recovering metals from their ores. By using these redox reactions, we can recover the metals from their ores. There are some metals which are noble metals like gold, copper and silver. They are available. Gold can be available in the free state. But the metals which are present in the reactivity series above than that of the hydrogen, they always available in the nature in combined state. So to extract the metal from their ores, we need the different methods. The process of producing the metal from its ore always involve the redox reaction. Most of the metals are found in the nature as oxides or sulfides. After mining the ore, desired mineral is separated from the other material by the process of redox reactions like aluminium, coke, carbon. They can be used as reducing agent. Generally, they are used as reducing agent. Even carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas can also be used as reducing agent to extract the metal from its ore. For example, here we are discussing the extraction of iron from its ore. The one ore of the iron is a hematite, Fe2O3. It can be extracted by the copper. If for example, carbon, this one is a blast furnace. In this blast furnace, from the top, iron ore, coke and limestone is added, and from the bottom, hot air blast enter. It increase the temperature, and this ore become melt, and carbon, it also react with the oxygen. Due to the combustion, carbon monoxide produced, and this carbon monoxide react with this ore, and it gives the molten iron, and this molten iron can be extracted at the bottom. So what happened here? This carbon monoxide, it it take the oxygen from it, and it change itself into the carbon dioxide gas. So what happened with the carbon monoxide? It gain the oxygen. It means oxidation takes place, but it done the reduction of Fe2O3. So it act as a reducing agent. So carbon monoxide react with the iron oxide and reduces it to get the iron. Lead and zinc metals that can also be extracted from their ore. Generally, they are also present in as sulfide ore. And these ores are first converted into oxides. And later by heating, in this process, the sulfur is oxidized and oxygen is reduced. These oxides are then reduced by coke or carbon monoxide or hydrogen to get the pure metal. Like for example, if you have zinc oxide, just react with the coke, yani carbon, so it give you carbon monoxide and zinc metal. And if you have lead oxide, react with carbon monoxide, same carbon monoxide act as a reducing agent here. It will take oxygen from it and it form carbon dioxide gas. And what happened with the carbon monoxide? Oxidation. Look, and it act as reducing agent, and it give you the lead metal here. So in this way, we can extract the metals from their ore. So with this one, today this lecture we are going to end. So take care of you, especially take care of the parents, and subscribe and keep watching my channel Amjad Ali 1522 for the more lecture about the electrochemistry. Okay, Allah Hafiz.